What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D-Mac back again with another video, man. I know it's been a while since I touched back with you guys, but a lot of different reasons, man. But today I'm gonna be installing some new 6x9s in my rear deck. If you're familiar with my channel already, you already know that I changed these once before, so we're not gonna go into too in-depth with the process of how you actually do it. I'm gonna, take it off, take all the things off, and install them, and just give you a preview of how they sound. So if you don't know already, I have currently Pioneer 6x9s in my rear deck and a 8-inch subwoofer. The 8-inch subwoofer that I purchased initially was a Planet Audio. That speaker has blown, so I will be changing that also to a Boss 8-inch subwoofer. So 2 6x9 kicker speakers. They are 3-way speakers. I'll be installing those, and the actual subwoofer, Boss subwoofer, 8-inch subwoofer. I'm not sure if all chargers come with the pre-cut out in the rear deck for a subwoofer, but my car has it already, so it was pretty easy. You just have to remove those rear panels in the back and the deck cover, and then you just install the actual speakers. So these are the kickers that I'll be installing today. So once I get the covers off and take the old speakers out, and we'll get to it. Okay guys, so once you have these side panels off of both sides, and you have your rear cover off, rear deck cover, the rear deck cover is off, you just remove the 4 screws from the 6x9s, and also there is about 4 to 6 screws around the subwoofer in the middle. You take them out, put the new ones in. Okay guys, so I have removed my Pioneer 6x9s and added the kicker 6x9s to the rear deck. Also have added the Boss 8-inch subwoofer in the middle, and there's the other 6x9 subwoofer, 6x9 speaker. Both 6x9s, 8-inch subwoofer installed. Once this is done, you just put the rear deck cover back on and put the side panels back on the sides. And I'll give you a preview of what it sounds like.
We get down in this motherfucker, swagger on bar. My niggas ballin' like we at the rucker. Walking the door, these niggas know us, but the bitch in trouble. Taking they bitches, even the ones that say that they a couple. Flying out the bar, nigga, in the VIP. Smoking Cuban cigars, nigga, feeling like a G. Cubano women on me, they sitting on my lap. Bring me another 3. We be beastin', beastin', beastin'. We be beastin', beastin', beastin'. We be beastin', beastin', beastin'. We be beastin'. surprised by my brilliance. Think I did it just to boast, I did it for the children. Living in poverty is degrading. Amazed by the level of resilience they carry. Woo. Now I know I'm dreaming. Nightmares got me sweating in my sleep, doing heavy breathing. Cause I'm greedy.
Okay guys, so I've installed the 6x9s and the 8-inch subwoofer Boss. Sounds pretty good, much louder, and hope you liked it. Till next time, peace.